Let's go ahead and start it right here. Just gonna walk straight. And I think this part, West End has a small beach, but the best ones are at West Bay. But we're still gonna check it out. Yeah, see, we can walk in here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. They also have a lot of cruise ships that come here. So we're gonna check that. For some of you guys looking for paradise, looking to relax without a lot of people, here you go. Talk about paradise. Okay, let's keep it moving. I hope you're not blasting any music. Hola, buenas. Solo puedo ver el menú, los precios y cosas así para un video. Okay. Gonna check the prices out. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hey. All right. Oh, music. Don't copyright me, YouTube. Hey, ¿qué tal? And they speak a lot of English here too. Okay. Want to talk over this menu or over this music? But here goes the menu right here. And yes, these are quoted in dollars. So here we go. Breakfast, omelet, we got nacho. Oh, these are appetizers. $6 to $10. Pizzas, $15 to $20. Steak, $18. And then here go the drinks, cocktails. Okay, here we go.
So happy hours, you know, on the weekend we house karaoke from Thursday to Sunday.
Okay.
Karaoke and DJ, so we got more fun at night.
Okay.
You could sing, you could dance, you could do whatever you feel like. We also got some swings, we got some hammocks.
Oh, yeah.
You guys can check it out before.
I mean, the beach chairs, tours.
We got the blog. It's a launcher, you know.
Okay.
You get to the end, then the next guy jump from here.
Oh, wow.
Jumps in, you guys go flying.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you jump from here onto this balloon, and then wherever you land is where you land, but it's going to be somewhere over there. Oh, wow. With the swings, Instagram pics too, with the water in the background. Oh, yeah.
We got some hammocks here.
Oh, yeah, he's chilling. Hey.
You know, we also got the top floor. Come and check our nice view here.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
So we got different flags from all the countries.
Shout out to all the countries.
You know, you got the best sunset is right here.
And he said the best sunsets over here.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Look at all this. All right, yeah, that's nice. Oh, it keeps going. They got more.
So where you want to do like an after party or you want to do like a private party?
Okay.
This is the VIP.
So VIP area if you want private party. You want a little bit more privacy? Here you go right here.
A small porch, you know, nice view to the beach, you know.
Oh yeah, and you still have the nice view right over here. Nice.
So you know, we got a little bit of everything, man.
Yeah.
Happy Harris is the place to be.
Oh
You
yeah.
gotta come and join them. My name is Harris. I'm one of the waiters and also bartender.
All right, come check them out. Nos explica cómo es esta isla y qué hay para hacer.
En esta isla de todo un poco. Diversión, ir a la playa. Playa, sol y arena. Y hay culturas, por ejemplo, en Punta Gorda.
Punta Gorda.
Los domingos hacen culturas carísimas, ¿va? Hacen bailes, comidas típicas.
Ajá.
Sí, bien bonito, bien divertido.
¿Y qué es una... ahorita voy a comer. ¿Qué es una comida popular?
Pescado.
Pescado?
Marisco, una mariscada.
Okay.
De hecho, aquí en Happy Harvest
okay. Well,
super rica.
Okay. And both sides just have restaurants, eateries, bars, all that good stuff. We got someone over here standing, looking lovely. I don't know if she works. Nah, she doesn't work here. I don't want nobody's husband mad at me. I ate here last time. Taco spot. Buenas.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, how's it going, man? I'm doing a video. You want to explain about your taco place?
Right. Okay, my name is Douglas. I come from Tijuana border.
Okay.
And we make the authentic tacos, you know, with fresh tortillas every day, flour and corn. I use 3 sauce, red sauce, avocado sauce, and my really special green sauce. My name is Douglas, and nice to see you. Thank you so much for your attention. And we have tacos, quesadillas, and burritos. Have a good day.
Hey, perfect. Woo, that was a lot. That was a lot. Yeah, I had some last night. It was delicious.
Oh, thank you,
I plan to
sir.
come back.
All right.
Yeah. All right, there goes there. Oh, this is where the party's at. Obviously, you got the skis. You can ride these over here. I told you. You gotta be careful who you talk to. You don't know whose girlfriend you talking to. These lovely ladies over here. And they got the music blasting. They got their party. And then, what else we got? We got this, hey. They got pictures over here, murals. Oh, I didn't see him. Okay, so, uh-oh.
We need food.
Okay, everybody's having a good time. Loving it. Got the moves over there. You got this spot, grocery store. Oh, wait, grocery store? Yeah, okay, it's a grocery store. Let's go up in here. Hola, buenas. Hola, solo grabo un video. Ese es un mercado, restaurante a la vez. Oh, okay.
El mejor en baleadas,
Oh.
comida buffet, las mejores baleadas de Roatan. Los invitamos a todos.
Ah, sí.
Sí.
Las mejor.
Las mejores tenemos con lo que son con todo esto,
Ajá.
a un buen precio. Tenemos, aparte de eso, tenemos farmacia, tenemos la tienda también.
Okay. So they have food, grocery
Tenemos
store.
los mejores meseros, que es Karim.
Okay, you said the best baleadas, best waiter.
All the time. Everybody know that if you come into Roatan and don't try our baleadas right now, don't come in absolutely in Roatan, you know? Thank
Okay.
you so much, boss.
All right, so I guess I have to try it. I gotta try it. I'm probably gonna come back on the way back. Okay, and then if you forgot some things, need snacks, all that good stuff. Lovely ladies here. Yeah. Here he goes again. See him
We
again.
have Arena too. Arena is most popular in Honduras, right?
Oh man.
Yes.
Bal-
It's our
Uh-huh.
Corona Honduran Corona.
Okay, Honduran. All right, I'm gonna try that out.
Thank you, boss.
Honduran Corona. So I have to get a baleada and one of those. He got it from here, so it must be a good place to get it. I'll come back. Go where the locals going. Oh, massage lady. You massages?
Yeah, you should get one done.
Ooh.
Yeah, massages. Try it out. Could get a sample right here in your neck. You feel my magic.
Oh man, that feels nice.
Come and get a sample right here.
Oh.
Just a minute, I'll give you a sample.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But how much? More or less is massaging for how
Do it
long?
For 20, 15 minutes.
15 minutes, $20. And what about if somebody wants an hour?
You do
Each
an
time-
hour for 130.
Okay. You want the massage? I feel I got a 10-second massage from her. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna walk around a little bit more.
Okay.
I appreciate
Yeah.
it. Tourist, water taxi again. Yeah. I don't know if I said this earlier. They speak a lot of English out here. A lot of English. What's this way? I don't know if I'm supposed to go that way. We'll keep going straight. But yeah, they speak a ton of English, so don't worry. Now, mainland Honduras, different. It's a different animal. Cigar bar, that's right over here. Don't cross. Oh no, it's better with women in the video. It's better with women. No. Uh-oh, got the tour. Hey, how's it going? Oh man, they're about to get it in. Look at this. About to go on tour. Uh-oh, they got a whole tour group. So I'll let them pass. Yeah. They got another group here. I'm guessing they're going paddle boarding, maybe. Paddle boarding. Sweets right here. Uh-oh, made eye contact. Hello, I'm just walking, doing a video. What do you sell here?
Well, chimichanga, burrito, fajita, taco, baleadas.
Oh, okay. Chimichangas, burritos, baleadas, and drinks.
Not for drink. Passion fruit, limonada, and we have iced tea, fresco, beer.
Everything.
I got that good thing, man.
Oh, no, it's okay, man.
But do a video, man, and take care, man. And relax, man.
All right, man. They also got that good stuff. If you want it, that fire. If that's what you want. Not saying I'm promoting it, just throwing it out there. Beach again on this side. But no, you got some more activity. Lovely lady. Okay, I'm guessing this is the main beach. Over here. Let's walk down this way. I'm guessing this is the main one. We should be close to like yeah, I think you take a right over here if you want to head out of this zone to like the center. And you got all this. And then they have massages. Let's walk straight a little bit. Oh yeah, you don't see a lot of trash on here, on the beach. It's nice. As I was saying earlier, they have a ton of different events or activities: snorkeling, diving, paddle boarding. They have the jet skis, ATVs. You can rent a vehicle. You can do a little bit of it all. Then all of this. Uh-oh. And then if you want to head to the guy at the first spot was telling me that the West Bay Beach is more relaxed, more family oriented. So you can take a water taxi over there as well. Let's clunk on the tree. Let's get over here. There's more. You keep going that way. And then we just came from here on this side. We just came from there. I think there's like little strips. So it's like, you know, you got that over there, then it's a beach. That goes over here, then it's blocked off again, and another beach. So I think it's cut off into sections. Oh, that was 18. Hey! What's this right here? Oh, it's the dive center. Okay, this is why many people come to Roatan, is to dive. So they're getting ready to do that. So if you're looking for a diving certification, then you can come here and make sure no other cars are coming. They got the bar right next to after you dive. You grab something to drink. Oh, go ahead, close the door. There we go. More beach. Yeah, it's always good to get out of your comfort zone. I've never dived before. So I might need to do that. Maybe not on this trip, but sometime in the future. I might need to do that. Live life a little bit. You know? You can keep going farther down. I think I'm gonna stop right here. And I just showed you guys some of the scenes out here. Some of the things to do. I have to go get my cash thing situated because I have a place I want to go to, so I need to go grab some. But I hope you guys enjoyed this walk through Roatan. Some of the activities and all that good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys found some value in it, and I'll catch you at the next one. Deuces.